What's up, guys?
I remember you.
Oh my god! Oh my god, bruh. Huh?
Hello?
Alright, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna shake my balls. I'm gonna shake my balls to your mom's face if you don't be quiet. Shut up or you put my balls in your face.
What? Run, bro! Nah, bro, I have a fear of spiders. Bro, that's not how you say it. Does anybody know the song? Does anybody know the Does anybody know what this song is? Spider! I have a phobia. I'm not that. No. Alright, I'm actually going to you get up here. Are we safe up here? I'm new. No, I'm Is the spider still here? Guys, I'm back. I'm back. Water? I'm back. Hey, oh, like, oh no. Where is the spider? I'm gonna be a man and get the spider. So pretty. Why does it look like that? Where? I can see your ID. I can see your ID. What? Bloody A4. No! Cam God! Ew, that's disgusting. I have a phobia of spiders. Well, I feel like it. You lucky too. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. Oh my god. He's gonna die. Oh my god. I'm safe up here. Guys, are we safe up here? Because I have a phobia of spiders. I don't know. You got kicked. No. Why would you push me? You walkie talkie trip. You walkie talkie trip. Wait. No, he's gonna poop. He's gonna poop his pants. I'm getting out. No. Oh my god. Oh. I'm getting out. Walkie trip. going, bro? I want to trade my Pokemon cards. Do you have Pokemon cards? I'm gonna fall. Do you have Pokemon cards? Do you have Pokemon cards?
Billy, Mom, I promise you I am dead.
So annoying.
I hate this game.
Isn't it supposed to follow you?
I actually did
Supposed to do ignore you or something? It's so glitchy. No, my ears! Look at the ears! Help! Oh, he left. Oh, yay!
He left. Why are we in Hunt? Why are we in Hunt?
Oh yeah. Yay! I'm gonna go play now. Dude, that was actually kind of scary. Now I keep pressing the rest of the people on this server. Exist.
Uh-oh.
What game? Who the hell is Gorilla Ball?
Chat, it's getting laggy.
I'm done with modders now. I love modders. Oh, stop it! No! Spirit! It's Spirit, getting out of here! Nemo, please. I'm not even gonna go in the car. Nemo, please, spare us! I need, please, Nemo!
Its name. His name is Gorilla.
What's his name?
This isn't Gorilla. Gorilla, I don't care. Gorilla, I don't care. Wait, no, that's not.
Do not report him. Do not.
If it's Gorilla, I don't care.
Oh, Gorilla. No! Hey, can he spawn stalker? There's spawn stalker! Spawn stalker!
It's this dude right here.
Spawn nothing.
It's this dude right here.
Don't spawn that much stalkers though, please. Spawn stalkers are not that much.
A million
Because my game glitched out hella. There's a stalker.
I know. I should go to a normal
Can you make my hands not glitch? Oh, hell no. Press B. Press B. Press B. Press B.
What the
caves? Somebody press B on the right controller. Press B. No. Why did I press it? Spawn monsters. Stop. Why did I press that? Dude, don't like 10 million stalkers. I'm never pressing B again. Gorilla, press B. Gone. Gorilla, it's dark. Yeah, I turned off the miner's helmet.
Bro,
Dude,
why do I keep joining this same server, bro?
I'm gonna go to this server.
Crap game.
What's happening?
What just happened?
I'm gonna go into the skull. What just happened? Yeah.
What just happened? There's a hacker. I think there's a hacker.
There's a hacker. There's a hacker in here. It's Gorilla. I don't care. It's a very top one. Don't report. My God. Do not report. Don't. There's literally no spider here. Where the heck is it? Follow me and think I might know where it could be hiding. Is he in mines?
Yeah, of course he is.
Bro, I ain't checking in mines if there's a hacker here.
I swear.
I'm not gonna check down there. I'm not checking down there.
Yeah, bro.
Somebody,
Ain't no way I'm
come
checking
on.
down there.
I found him.
I found like 10 million modders in this game. For real.
Why are you still talking then? Honestly not dying.
Modders?
Bro, stop.
Modders, honestly.
No, too bad.
For real.
Scared?
I didn't even die once.
Yo, I'm pushing him.
One.
I'm pushing him. There's
I
another.
know.
Everybody push the spider. Run in
Yeah,
and
guys.
push him. Yeah, guys, you can push him.
Here, before it comes back and starts sparking anymore, let's go.
Guys, hump him.
Yeah, Gorilla, I don't care. Oh, it's him!
Yeah.
I just saw him!
Go
Hey,
do rainbow
you,
mode.
over here.
What the frick is rainbow mode?
Go to the computer.
If you want to see rainbow mode.
I'm scared.
I don't see
Yo,
rainbow
yo,
mode. What the hell
stalker.
is rainbow mode?
Spawn 100
How do
stalkers.
you rainbow mode?
Spawn 100
Go to
stalkers.
the computer.
Spawn 100, please.
Let me get
Aggie,
we're gonna
stalker,
get
spare me, spare me, spare me. Look at me in the eyes.
It's fun. Press the green
Spare
thing
me.
It's right here.
Please,
keyboard.
spare me.
Press the green button
Right here.
to make a call. Why is it?
I believe in God, spare me.
Secret.
Is that thumbs up? You gonna spare us? Are you gonna spare us?
Everybody back in.
What does that mean?
Yeah, should I go try and beat the bathrooms like this? Beat the
Does that mean no?
Yeah.
That means no? That, okay, this means yes and that means no. Are you gonna spare us?
O-O-M-S.
Yes?
Be real.
Is that a yes?
Well, no, brooms. It spells brooms.
You good?
If you join the code brooms.
He likes me, I guess.
B-R-O-O-M-S.
modding, bro? Who is modding? Cause I love modders.
R-O-M-S.
Yo, modder's gonna spare us.
O-M-S.
Modder. Modder.
B rooms.
Yo, modder. 100 stalkers, please spare us. He understands us, he's very nice.
Modder, what mod menu are you using? What Discord are you using?
I'm using the BSU client V5 because this is the only one to mod in Publix.
Can you tell me
Okay,
how to
yeah,
mod?
but first, is that on
Modder,
Quest
can
or
you
is
show
it
me
on
how to
PC?
mod? Can you show me how to mod? Modder,
Is it Quest
is
on
it
PC?
Quest?
or is it on PC?
Modder, can you show me how to mod?
Oh, it's PC.
Yo.
Jump scare me.
There's a major jock in there.
Don't scare me. Are you gonna, wait, use your mic. No, don't leave, please. I'll give you $100
Look
bucks.
at him. He's now dead.
I'll give you $100 bucks if you don't leave.
Bitch ass nigga.
Look like you could get some coochie before they getting all that.
Yo.
loot.
I'll give you $100 bucks if you don't leave.
Leave,
I'm not lying. I'll PayPal you. I'll pay you. So, kick out.
Yo, hey, that's
Bro, I'm Bob.
I'm
I'm Bob,
Bob
and I'm
Bob?
always watching. I'm always watching.
not from Spider, huh?
No, I'm not that Bob.
Bob. Hey,
Are you sucker?
bitch ass nigga. You like that pussy,
Hey,
huh?
what are you
Guys,
talking
look at this.
about?
Bitch ass nigga. Sim Lobby.
Dang.
Hey, die, my nigga.
Bro,
Bitch ass nigga, stupid bald ass nigga. Ah, yeah, body.
what did you say?
Eat my dick, nigga. Mine just say glade.
Yo, what is
Like
that?
that, yeah.
Hey.
Hey, that's
Mine just says wedding
That's
to
your
Scotch
muscle, nigga.
Black.
Bitch ass nigga.
Oh.
Bitch.
Oh, bro,